Guys, welcome to ADUNNI'S space. So you're listening to Kasali Ayabami Adewingbe Naomi, a younger sister. So today we are going to be showing you guys how to make flat twist. Two different flat twists actually. You see, you never get that often. Anyways, we're going to be getting one going upwards and one going downwards. So I'm making it by myself on my hair myself, on my natural hair myself. So the first thing we did was to divide the hair into two. I couldn't do that myself, so I asked Aduni to do it for me, and she was. I think right. I think I have dandruff. I'm not sure, but she's currently removing some things from my hair. Then we'll begin with the one that goes downward. So the first thing I usually do is to comb it to suit me. Oh, my bad eye. The first thing I usually do is to comb it to the way I want, like the beginning. Then I'll pick out like the first portion of the hair from the corner. Since I don't have front hair, I just pick from that corner. Then divide it into two. Then twist the very first one. So the logic behind flat twist is that your regular twist you twist it, make it jumbo, make it juicy. But this one, you're twisting it downwards, flat. So the hair on top goes down, and then the hair under goes up. So it gives it this building feeling, like as if the hair is building or piling up. So as you can see, my front hair is receding. So I couldn't really do this front side. But moving backwards, you can see how I'm packing from the sides. How I'm packing from the sides to make sure I'm not leaving anyone behind, and to make sure that it's actually very tight, because it is flat twist. If it's not tight, it will just look very rough and messy. So you need to make sure it's tight, because it is still losing up by itself. So you can see that it's facing downwards, like it's sloping down. So the basic logic, as I said before, is that the down one the head down goes up, and then the hair up goes down, and you just keep moving it. You don't actually have to twist the hair. Like, I don't know how to explain. You don't actually have to twist the hair. You just have to move the one up, down, the one down, up. Do you get? Then for the ending part, you can either braid it or twist it, or use a pin to block it back into your hair or something. So I usually twist mine, then just stick it back into my hair, because I don't have long tips, so I just put it back into my hair. That's for the first one. Then on to the second one. I take the very first portion, as I said earlier, divide it into two, twist it a little bit. Then this one, I think this is like the most popular one. So this one is going upward. The up is going up. The down is going down. It's not. It's flat, but it's not like the other one. And I prefer this style because it makes me look cuter, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, I'm also trying to pick from the sides so that it also be tight like the previous one. Yeah, move your hand, Joe. Let's see. So the up one is going up, down, going down. Okay. I really hope you guys understand it. And if you have watched up to this point, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment, share to your friends. And I would really love to know if you guys got it. Like, if you got the flat twist on your hair yourself, and which one you actually preferred, the one going up or the one going down. I really just want to know. Let's communicate in the comment section. So exactly, I was just trying to explain to you guys that the up goes up and the down goes down here. Then I twist the ending like I did for the previous one. Can you see how I tuck it in for the first one that I did. So that's how I usually tuck mine in to make it look more Afro vibe. Yeah, I really prefer the second one. Tell me, you guys should let me know which one you guys prefer too. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back for more hair tutorials like you always do. I really wish I had front hair, you guys. Because if I had front hair, this thing will slap. Oh, it will be giving. But anyways, if you have front hair, I'm happy for you. Bye.